Hello, writers. Did you know that scientists use writing to do their work? It's true. Scientists need many skills, and an important one is being able to write. Luckily, that's something we know how to do. This week, we're going to use our writing skills to collect information, just like scientists. Each day, we'll write down what we learn about plants in their habitat. At the end of the week, we'll use what we've written to help us make a special project. It's going to be fun, but first, let's get to work. Last week in reading, we learned the word habitat. Do you remember what habitat means? Think about it. A habitat is the natural environment where things live. The habitat is the kind of place. On our planet, there are different kinds of habitats, and in each habitat, the living things have parts that help them survive there. Do you remember what these parts are called? They're called adaptations. An adaptation, here's the word, is a part of a living thing that helps it survive in their habitat. We've been learning about different habitats and the plants that live there. One habitat we learned about is the rainforest. Let's look at the rainforest again today. And while we look, I have a job for you. Think about the adaptations of rainforest plants. All plants need sunlight, water, and nutrients. What are different ways rainforest plants get what they need to survive? How do they get sunlight, water, and nutrients? And here's a hint. Different rainforest plants have different adaptations depending on if they live lower to the ground or up high. You'll see. Let's look at this Brain Pop Jr. Oopsie. Here we go.
Hey, Moby. Where are you going? Moby? Cool. A rainforest. What is a rainforest? A rainforest is a large, thick forest habitat that gets a ton of rain. Some rainforests can get over 200 inches of rain a year.
Let's skip ahead to the part about plants. I think it's right about here.
We can divide the rainforest into different sections. What are some layers of the rainforest? The canopy is the roof of the forest, and that's where you find the thick, leafy tops of trees. There's plenty of sunshine and food up here. Most rainforest animals live in the canopy. Like monkeys, sloths, and birds. The understory is the layer between the canopy and the floor. Less sunshine reaches the understory, so many plants have large leaves to get as much light as they can. Here you can find a lot of insects, snakes, and even jaguars. The forest floor is the bottom of the rainforest. It doesn't get much sunlight, so fewer plants grow here. But you can still find lizards, insects, and fungi. How do plants and animals survive in rainforests? Living things have adaptations, or special ways to live in their habitats. Well, rainforest soil does not have a lot of nutrients, so it can be difficult for plants to grow there. Some plants, like this pitcher plant, use animals for food. Since the forest floor can be pretty dark, some plants have adapted to grow on tall trees so they can get more sunlight. They're nicknamed air plants because they don't need soil to grow. Since the rainforest gets a ton of rain, the leaves of many plants have special tips to help get rid of extra water.
Alrighty. Let's use this chart to write down what we learned about plant adaptations in the rainforest. Different kinds of plants have different adaptations. Our job is to write down a few of them. If you want, at this point, you can rewind this video so you can see the Brain Pop Jr. again. I'm going to go ahead and show you how this chart works. It says Rainforest Plant Adaptations. So I'm going to write one of the adaptations I learned about was the one she said at the very beginning. That's right. Some trees grow really tall with all their leaves at the very top. Some trees grow really tall with all their leaves at the very top, period. How it helps. It helps them get the sunlight they need. There were other plants that had other adaptations. Now it's your turn. Write down another adaptation and how it helps. See if you can come up with 2 or maybe even 3. As I said before, if you want to rewind and watch the Brain Pop again, go right ahead. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.